How to keep maps north up on Google Maps. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Map and log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your profile located on top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Settings, which is located bottom of your data. In here, scroll all the way down till you find Navigation. Click on Navigation and scroll all the way down in Navigation till you find Keep Map North Up. Make sure you turn it on, and that's how you keep maps north up on Google Maps.
So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.